friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to unbox one of my old favorites, that is the Envy box. So Envy box is a luxury subscription box and it is priced at rupees 850 rupees, but you can get it at a discounted rate if you go for a multi-month subscription. So this is how I received my Envy box. So Envy box is a classic box always. It's one of the most beautiful packaged boxes. So this is a hard box with a magnetic closure, and just look at the design, guys. It is stunning, perfect for the season, and I just love storing them, friends. So let us open the box and see the product. The first thing to come out of it is the card, and then there are products. Have a look at the packaging. So it is so nicely packaged. I'm sure nothing can ever break in this. So let me just get rid of all the straw and then we can start. So let us first start with the info card. So this time we have received 5 products, friends, and this time the box is really something. You have to order this box, guys. Let me start from my favorite product and the product for which I actually ordered this box. The first product that I have received is a Miss Diva body mist from All Good Scents, and there are 3 variants available in this, and I have received the variant Cover Girl, and it is a full size product, friends. It is a 150 ml product, and this is priced at rupees 450. You could get any one of the 3 variants which are available. It could either be a fashionista, it could be a showstopper, or it could be a cover girl. So let me just open this. The fragrance is very nice. I generally do not like sweet smells, but I like this one and I am very happy to have received this. It is a very fresh floral fragrance, and also it has got a very sensuous feeling to it, or sensuous smell to it. I quite like this guy. I am very happy to get this. And the next product that I have received is from our very own favorite brand, that is the Nature's Co, and it is a red wine sleeping face gel, and this is priced at rupees 725. So this product is going to provide you with hydration. It is going to purify your skin, and let us look at its ingredients. So it has, of course, got red wine, it has got vinegar, it has got red grape extract, it has got licorice extract, it has got grapefruit extract, vegetable glycerin, aloe vera gel base, color, aroma, and others. So I think this is quite a nice one. It will be having a lot of antioxidants and will be providing enough nutrition over the night. So you have to apply it at night and you can sleep with this. The next product that I have received is a lipstick from Bella Voste. So I am happy to get the Bella Voste lipsticks. I am somehow in love with them. I quite like the Bella Voste lipstick. We had a choice to choose the shade, and this is priced at 599. It is a 4.2 gram product, and I have received it in the shade. It is N03 and the shade is Sexy Brown. You could choose from 5 shades, which is Burnout Dust, Coffee Crush, Rich Pout, Rose Lust, or Sexy Brown. I chose the last one. I like to use nude shades on a regular basis. A rose brown color is something which I like using, and the Bella Voste products are quite nice. Okay, so this time the packaging is a little different. Bella Voste has changed their packaging slightly, and let me open this. Oh my god, this is such a beautiful color. Honestly, one of the best nudes that I have got. I'm sure it's going to look good on my skin tone. So this is how it looks. It's a beautiful nude color for my skin tone. This is just adequately pigmented. I don't think this is going to be a long lasting one, but it is a creamy finish and I like this. I mean, I'm a little off mattes these days, and I prefer getting creamy lipsticks and using creamy lipsticks. So here it goes. This is the next one that I received. Then I have received a herbal face pack from Mom's Therapy. It is called at Midas Touch, and this is priced at rupees 447. So the ingredients in this are turmeric, sandalwood, orange, neem, multani mitti, tulsi, rose petals, and a very special sandalwood oil. Great. And they have mentioned 2 ways of applying it. So on a oily skin, they have asked you to mix Mom's Therapy rose or lavender water in it and then apply on your face. And if you have a dry skin, you can use glycerin or milk to form a soft paste and then use it. So Mom's Therapy is one brand that I actually like, and their products are honestly very good. I have used their oils and I'm in love with them. So I'm very happy to get this Mom's Therapy face pack. And then we come to the last product. This is the product. It is a acne serum from Elixir Shop. It is a 15 ml serum worth ₹700. So I had heard about this, but I had never tried, and fortunately I do not have an acne prone skin, so I am not going to open this, guys. This is going to be a part of my giveaway which is going on currently. So friends, if you have oily skin, this is going to be very helpful. It comes with a separate dropper too and a glass bottle, a dark colored glass bottle. And so this is how you apply. You need to put a few drops of the serum on the cotton pad and apply on acne spot. Use 2 to 3 times a day. Wait for 1 minute before using any other product. This seems to be quite a nice product, friends, and it has got coconut oil, tea tree oil and geranium, and there is some more information in this leaflet here. So I think this time the box has been really fantastic. I loved the box, and honestly I think this is one buy that you should go for one of the good boxes of this month. If you are planning to go for a box, definitely this is something that you should consider. And my most favorite product in this box obviously is the body mist. I am really crushing on it. This is going to be my go-to body mist for this month. So with that, friends, we come to an end of this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now. Love you all.